Welcome back. As thousands cope with their losses from the California wildfires, they also have to think about what comes next, including if they want to rebuild and whether their insurance will help them pay for it. CBS News walks us through what can be a very complex situation.
The homes and memories of so many families turned to ash. Even as firefighters still work to contain the flames, the survivors will have to focus on rebuilding their lives once the smoke clears. For many, that'll start with filing insurance claims.
Most standard home insurance policies include fire coverage, which takes care of any damage to the structure or the replacement of personal belongings, but it can be tricky to navigate. So to help us understand this, we're going to talk to Brian Vines, who is a deputy editor at Consumer Reports specializing in marketplace fairness.
That's right.
So Brian, what's the first thing you should do if you find yourself in this situation?
The first thing you want to do is take stock of your documents. Go over all of your insurance forms, find out your levels of coverage, get everything in black and white so you know where you're starting from. Then reach out to the insurance company. It's still early days, but you can establish that connection so you can make sure you have the right numbers, emails, all of the open correspondence.
And this is a reminder of something you can do before disaster hits. Take photos and videos of your home and belongings, so if you ever are impacted by fire or flood or other disaster, you'll be able to share that with your insurer as they decide your compensation.
Documenting after the disaster, that's important too.
Absolutely. Don't touch anything until you're given an all clear.
So what other documentation should survivors think about right now?
You should have a diary that you can keep along the way with the names, contacts, emails of every person that you're interacting with on your recovery journey.
And what about receipts?
Receipts are important. They are important in the before context and the right now.
After your adjuster inspects your property, FEMA may offer to clear debris.
Should you take FEMA up on that offer?
Absolutely. If you establish that it's a legitimate FEMA representative offering to help you with that disposal, you could save thousands of dollars.
CBS News has learned that insurers dropped thousands of California homeowner policies in recent months, including in Pacific Palisades.
I imagine there are people who are living near the fire zone who could be terrified that could happen to them.
Absolutely, but fortunately for now, those fears can be allayed a little because there's been a moratorium imposed on that zone and in California, so your coverage cannot be canceled for this foreseeable time.
If you're not in the fire zone and your insurance company tells you they're not renewing your policy, you can ask for a 1 or 2 month extension and use that time to file an appeal. It'll also buy you some time to shop for other coverage or look into other state-sponsored plans. Asha Qureshi, CBS News.